This is fit for a 2017 through 2019 and likely beyond Ford F250 crew cab with a 6-foot 9-inch bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Xsporter Pro 500 XTB height adjustable aluminum heavy duty truck rack. This truck rack offers multiple height adjustments. Here we have the height at the maximum position, which is 29 inches. The crossbar spacing is at 5 feet from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 450 pounds, evenly distributed. The system is featuring Thule's aerodynamic load bar, which measures 71 inches in length. Locks are included to lock the bases to the bed rail, as well as locks to lock the uprights into the bases, providing excellent overall security. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.